Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where you have to go ahead and reset your password on TikTok. Now, first of all, follow the boy on TikTok. Dude, I'm trying to grow my presence up a little bit. I just posted another TikTok right now, so follow me if you want. Links are in the description, obviously. But you'll probably not be in this page. Probably end up being in a page like this if you actually forgot your password. Now, what you want to do is locate on the bottom right here where it says login. This is typically where you would log in with your information. Then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and tap on this little thing where it says use phone, email, or username. So you want to go ahead and tap right there. And once you're in this little panel, all you want to do is tap on the top right. There's a little question mark icon. You want to go ahead and tap on that, and you'll essentially come into this little panel. Now, what it's going to ask you is a couple different things and what you're having problems with, but you're specifically having problems with lost or stolen password. So you want to go ahead and tap on lost and stolen password, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. So what we want to do is tap on the use phone over here, and we want to click on email or password. And what we'll see is if we go ahead and click return, and right there underneath both of these icons, you can see the forgot password little option. So all you have to do is go ahead and click on forgot password, and it's going to ask you what you have in order to verify your account, either the phone number or the email. So in this case, let's say we have the email, or phone number, doesn't matter. What you want to do is type on that specific little option, and it's going to ask you specifically what email you have associated with that account. So what we want to do here is we want to go ahead and type in the email that's associated with that account, and you want to go ahead and click, and then you want to go ahead and click reset. And what's going to happen is it's actually going to go ahead and send you out an email to verify your email address and all of that. And then at that point, it's going to go ahead and allow you to reset the password via a link that's going to be sent to you through your email. Or if you have it through your phone number, you can go through your phone number way too. But that's pretty much how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.